संदेश।
सभी व्यूअर्स को मैं डॉक्टर नवदीप शर्मा नमस्कार करता हूं। पिछले 21 वर्षों से दुनिया भर में आयुर्वेद के माध्यम से मैं इलाज कर रहा हूं और आज मैं देख पा रहा हूं कि पूरा विश्व आयुर्वेद की ओर इम्यूनिटी बढ़ाने के लिए एक उम्मीद से देख रहा है। सदियों से ही हमारे यहाँ राजा महाराजा चांदी के बर्तनों में भोजन का सेवन करते थे अपनी इम्यूनिटी को बढ़ाने के लिए। तो आप सबके घरों में चांदी की पायल, बैंगल, पेंडेंट, कोई भी आभूषण हो, जिस पात्र में आप पानी स्टोर करते हैं उसमें वो डाल दीजिए। उस पानी का सेवन करने से आपकी इम्यूनिटी जो है वो बेटर रहेगी। शुंठी, मरीच, पिपली, ये 3 हर्ब्स जो किचन की शोभा बढ़ाती हैं, इनका इस्तेमाल अधिक कीजिए और भस्त्रिका क्रिया अधिक से अधिक कीजिए। इन चीजों का इस्तेमाल करने से आप हृष्ट पुष्ट रह सकेंगे और कोरोना नामक महामारी को दूर भगा सकेंगे।
हृष्ट पुष्ट रहे आयुर्वेद में माहिर डॉक्टर नवदीप शर्मा से जटिल रोगों का आयुर्वेदिक निदान पाएं। कॉल करें 7222006006। हृष्ट।
When I was younger, I was very sensitive. I could feel the pain that people endured. My father once told me, it's good that I can feel people's pain. It would be even better if I could transform one's pain into soothing relief. These words of my father nourished and nurtured the divinely planted seed in me to become a compassionate healer. And my journey with Ayurveda, the science of life, began. According to Ayurveda, our Panchabhautik body is an amalgam of space, air, fire, water and earth, and solution to all chronic ailments lies in balancing these body elements. As the origin of Ayurveda goes back to thousands of years, so some part of our ancient historical knowledge is lost. That's why I started my own research and shared it with the world. Ayurveda can give very quick recovery, even quicker than allopathy, in most chronic ailments.
The blend of Ayurvedic medicines, Panchkarma, yoga, diet has helped Dr. Navdeep Sharma create the brand Hrisht Pusht and Team Nirogam by treating thousands of patients suffering from chronic illness. Join Dr. Navdeep Sharma's guided path of healthy living. Call now at +1 888 624 5925.
Namaskar. A very warm welcome to all of you in this evening live interactive session of ours where we try discussing quality Ayurveda with you, and while discussing quality Ayurveda with you, I always try to answer to take the maximum questions which come our way from your end. So आज भी हमारा ये प्रयास रहेगा कि हम आपके मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चंस ले पाएं और साथ के साथ आपके क्वेश्चंस का आंसर भी कर पाएं और कुछ अच्छा आयुर्वेद भी आपके साथ डिस्कस कर पाएं। हमारा जो आज टॉपिक रहेगा आपके साथ डिस्कशन का, दैट विल बी IgA nephropathy. So I'll firstly be taking the questions, and the first question is of Mr. Jay Rathore. मेरी पेशेंट आईडी दिस है। मैंने आपकी मेडिसिन लेना शुरू की है जनवरी से। मेरी LFT रिपोर्ट नॉर्मल है और HBV DNA 100 है। मैंने सारी रिपोर्ट्स अपलोड की है। मेरे डॉक्टर का नाम डॉक्टर नवप्रीत है और आपने लिखा है कि LFT नॉर्मल, HBV DNA 100 है। क्या सेकंड बेबी प्लान कर सकते हैं हूँ? क्या मैंने जनवरी से आपकी मेडिसिन लेना शुरू किया है, प्लीज़ गाइड। जय राठौर जी, जहाँ तक आपके HBV DNA का सवाल है, द वैल्यू इज़ वेरी लो। इफ़ आई टॉक अबाउट द HBV DNA वैल्यू ऑफ मेजॉरिटी ऑफ पेशेंट्स, in your case the value is not at all that high, and yes, as far as my opinion is concerned, आप बेबी का प्लान कर सकते हैं। नागराज जी, आपने लिखा है कि ऑल्सो यूरिन रिपोर्ट शोज ब्लड ट्रेस्ड लाइज्ड। नागराज जी, आई वुड ऑल्सो लाइक टू नो दैट इफ यू आर हैविंग एनी रिपोर्ट्स with you are having the number which is there on your screen, either on this number or through our mobile app. Please forward me those reports so that I can analyze those reports and I can forward the details to you in regards of your reports. आप में से कोई भी व्यक्ति ये चाहें तो इसी लाइव के दौरान आप रिपोर्ट शेयर कर सकते हैं। आप में से बहुत से लोग ऐसे हैं जिनकी रिपोर्ट्स, जिनकी डिटेल्स रेगुलरली मेरे पास आती हैं, और मेरी कोशिश भी रहती है कि आपकी उन रिपोर्ट्स का जवाब जरूर दिया जाए। मोहम्मद खुर्शीद जी, आपकी क्वेरी भी मेरे पास आई है। हेमलता देवी जी, अ वेरी गुड इवनिंग टू यू। आपने भी अपना मैसेज भी मुझे यहाँ पे भेजा है, और आपका जो क्वेश्चन है आप वो भी पूछ सकते हैं। सुजल जी, गुड इवनिंग। यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट पेशेंट सुनीता लोहारीवाला जी, आई वेलकम यू इन दिस इवनिंग लाइव। सुशांत जैन जी, आपने लिखा, हाई डॉक्टर, आई रियली लाइक योर लाइव सेशंस, आई एम फॉलोइंग योर इंस्ट्रक्शंस, थैंक्स अ लॉट फॉर being there with us during our live, Sushant ji, and we appreciate your endeavor there with us. So welcome to you, Harjeet ji, and welcome Dr. Priya. We are going to discuss a very important topic today, and the important topic is IgA nephropathy. Sujal ji, as you have mentioned that you went for a 2-time dialysis in your patient's case, and now if the patient is in stable case, immediately connect with your coordinator or doctor so that we can start with the in-house treatment in your patient case without wasting a single day. Because now that we have done 2 dialysis, immediately the body will start demanding for the next dialysis. So the nearest flight which you can get, because otherwise from 15th we are starting with Panchkarma, but in this case, as I know, it is very important, so you simply check the availability. I'll make a slot available for you so that we can immediately, without wasting even a single day, start with the proper treatment in this case. So Hina Thakur ji, a very good evening to you. And IgA nephropathy, the disease about which we are today going to discuss is IgA nephropathy. So coming to IgA nephropathy, as you can see, IgA nephropathy is also known as Berger's disease. It is a kidney disease that occurs when an antibody called immunoglobulin A builds up in the kidneys. Now this antibody will cause local inflammation and will hamper the ability of kidneys to throw out waste through the urine. This IgA nephropathy is one of the biggest causes, one of the most common causes for chronic renal failure. Yes, Sujalji, definitely the doctors will advise you for that, and that is why, as we had decided for the Shodhan Chikitsa, now if she is in stable condition, it is the right time to immediately start with Shodhan Chikitsa without even wasting a single day. राजकुमार पाटिल जी, नमस्कार। अरिंदम नायक जी, गुड इवनिंग। अवनी परमार जी, आपने लिखा है, सर आई एम CKD पेशेंट, माई क्रेटिनाइन इज 4.6, क्या ये आयुर्वेदिक मेडिसिन से ठीक होगा? अवनी जी, देखिए 4.6 क्रेटिनाइन की हम बात कर रहे हैं। अक्सर जब पेशेंट्स हमारे पास आते हैं तो बहुत से पेशेंट्स डायलिसिस करवाते हुए आते हैं, वहीं बहुत से पेशेंट्स ऐसे आते हैं जिनका क्रेटिनाइन 11, 12, 12.5 यहाँ तक पहुँचा होता है। तब भी उस परमात्मा की दया से जब हम प्रॉपर आयुर्वेदिक इलाज करते हैं तो इनमें से बहुत से पेशेंट्स को बहुत अच्छी रिकवरी देखने को मिलती है, और आपके पेशेंट के केस में लेवल्स बेटर हैं। सो पूरे चांसेस हैं जी कि आयुर्वेद अच्छी रिकवरी दे पाए। आप नंबर स्क्रीन पर देख पा रही हैं अवनी जी, आप चाहें तो इस नंबर पर आप व्हाट्सएप के ज़रिए सारी रिपोर्ट्स भेज सकते हैं। आप हमारी मोबाइल ऐप रिष्ट पुष्ट देख पा रहे हैं अपनी स्क्रीन के ऊपर। अगर आप चाहें तो रिष्ट पुष्ट मोबाइल ऐप के माध्यम से भी आप रिपोर्ट्स हमारे साथ शेयर कर सकते हैं और हमारी पूरी कोशिश रहेगी और पूरे चांसेस हैं कि जो आपके पेशेंट हैं वो इस अच्छे आयुर्वेदिक इलाज से ठीक हो पाए, रिकवर कर पाए। हम आगे बढ़ते हैं और आगे बढ़ते हुए आईजीए नेफ्रोपैथी की बात आज हम कर रहे हैं आपके साथ। एंड आईजीए नेफ्रोपैथी में सिम्टम्स, हम सिम्टम्स की बात करेंगे। द यूरिन कलर, it becomes tea colored or cola colored in advanced stages of IgA nephropathy because red blood cells they start coming in the urine. Although it is not necessary that in all the patients suffering from IgA nephropathy this will happen, but yes, it does happen at times. Foamy urine, because of the protein that is leaking in the urine will become foamy in nature. Then there is pain in one or both sides of your back, below the ribs, on one side of your back or both side of your back below the ribs. There is swelling in hands as well as in feet. Although these symptoms are very common symptoms, but then despite being common, they are not always present in the initial part of the disease. Sujal ji, definitely that is why we are asking her to be over there and we will try that we can do this. But then once a bi-weekly dialysis has been done, the body starts demanding for the very next dialysis immediately. So it becomes all the more important that before she settles in for a vicious cycle of dialysis again and again, it becomes very important. Yes, the doctors, when they go for one or two dialysis, they will ask you to go for a fistula formation. But then, since we have already planned a session for her, I think we should go for that session and try if we do not have to go for it. A very warm welcome and a very good evening to you, Shilata Swarna ji. Nice to see you there with us. And जय राठौर जी, आप देखा सर मुझे जो मेडिसिन मिली है उसमें 1 तुलसी ड्रॉप, 2 इम्यूनो, 3 एसएल केयर, 4 निरोगम इम्यूनो केयर है। इनमें हर मेडिसिन का यूज़ क्या क्या है? थैंक यू, आपने मुझे सेकेंड बेबी प्लान करने के लिए गाइड किया। जय राठौर जी, इनमें से जो तुलसी ड्रॉप्स है, तुलसी का तो सभी को पता है, बहुत बढ़िया इम्यूनो मॉड्यूलेटर है, इम्यून सिस्टम को स्ट्रांग बनाती है कि वायरस से फाइट कर पाए। इम्यूनो निरोगम्स अगेन इम्यूनिटी बूस्टर है। एसएल केयर लिवर को प्रोटेक्ट करती है वायरस से और इम्यूनो केयर हैबिटेट को डिस्ट्रॉय कर देती है और एंटी वायरल है। सबसे पोटेंशिएटिंग मेडिसिन में से इम्यूनो केयर है। नागराज जी, आप लिखा है शेयर्ड available reports from Drishtpusht app as well as WhatsApp number. Nagaraj ji, just give me a minute. I'll see if I can get those reports of yours. Nagaraj ji, you must have sent those reports, lekin the reports which you have sent, you need to search Dr. Navdeep Sharma over there on the mobile app and then you can do it and the reports will immediately come to me. If you have shared it, the reports to any of my colleagues or in the mobile app but not directly to me on my name, I won't be able to get them immediately during this live then, and in that case my team shall be doing it for you. And team, I request you, if you have got the reports on this number, the helpline number, try forwarding those reports to me if Mr. Nagaraj is not able to forward those reports. Sanjay Kumar ji, thanks a lot for the encouraging words and good to know that your patient, your uncle, he got a good improvement. Sujal ji, it is very much understandable that any kind of in-house treatment is always a financial burden on the family. What we can do for you is that we can cooperate you by doing the bit which we can do from our end. But then at this juncture, when a bi-weekly dialysis has been done, 2 dialysis have been done, I really would request you if you can immediately proceed with this treatment without wasting a single day. Because today we are discussing about the financial constraints which we are facing. But it's not always that it will be possible for us to do that treatment, because it's only in the initial part that she will respond very quickly. Once the body develops a habit of dialysis, then even if we go for in-house Shodhan Kriya, the chances of recovery with a short Shodhan Kriya will come down and she will have to go for a longer version of Shodhan Kriya. So that is why my request, I personally feel it is important. That's why otherwise I would have immediately asked you to go for something else. So we are discussing about IgA nephropathy, a very important disease and a very major reason which causes damage in the kidneys. Now, what are the causes of IgA nephropathy? Immunoglobulin A, which is an antibody and plays a key role in the immune system by attacking invading pathogens and fighting infections. But in IgA nephropathy, this antibody collects in the glomeruli, which is part of kidney, causing inflammation and gradually affecting their filtering ability. This exact cause is unknown in allopathy. In Ayurveda, though, I have a complete reason of why IgA nephropathy develops, but till date in allopathy there is no proper reason where they can say that why exactly the IgA antibody started attacking the kidneys. But yes, when it collects, it starts attacking the nephrons, the glomeruli, inflammation develops in them, and the kidney, it really starts damaging. And Shlataji, it's really you can say negligence on our part that you didn't get a call from Dr. Ruchi. I would request him that please make it sure that Dr. Ruchi connects with Shlataji tomorrow after discussing the case with me. And I will definitely try, Shlataji, that tomorrow she connects with you. Disha, please make sure that Dr. Ruchi is updated about the same and she connects with Shlataji tomorrow. राजकुमार जी, आपने कहा मेरे भाई का किडनी फेल और डायलिसिस शुरू है, कल दोपहर को रिपोर्ट्स भेज रहा हूँ, प्लीज़ कोऑपरेट अस। राजकुमार जी, आप बिल्कुल मत घबराएं, आप रिपोर्ट सारी की सारी फॉरवर्ड करें हमें। जो नंबर आप स्क्रीन पर देख रहे हैं इस पर व्हाट्सएप कर सकते हैं, चाहें तो रिस्ट पुष्ट मोबाइल ऐप के माध्यम से भी रिपोर्ट्स अपलोड कर सकते हैं और आप रिपोर्ट्स भेजिए, आपको पूरा हेल्प किया जाएगा, पूरा कोऑपरेट किया जाएगा। And thanks a lot, Jai Rathore ji. You carry on with the medication and you will surely get a very good improvement. Rakesh Kumar ji, आपने कहा hello, my 5-year-old suffering from nephrotic syndrome, currently going with allopathic treatment on steroid prednisolone. Do we have cure in Ayurveda? Rakesh ji, see, when we talk about nephrotic syndrome, which is also known as the minimal change disease. Now this is a disease where, again, just like IgA nephropathy, we are discussing a similar kind of disease. In nephrotic syndrome also, the immune system, which is otherwise meant to be protecting the kidneys, that immune system starts attacking the kidneys. इसे हम आम भाषा में बोल सकते हैं कि रक्षक भक्षक बन गया। जो रक्षक था, जिसका काम था बैक्टीरियाज के साथ फाइट करना और जिसे बॉडी ने बनाया था अपनी रक्षा करने के लिए, वही बन गया भक्षक, अपनी ही किडनीज को अटैक कर रहा हो। सो नाउ दैट द इम्यून सिस्टम स्टार्ट अटैकिंग द किडनीज, द बेसमेंट मेम्ब्रेन ऑफ द किडनी, it gets inflamed, and as a result of that, the proteins which are otherwise not meant to be excreted out in urine, they start being excreted out in the urine. Now, immediately, there are certain tests which are guided to the patient. I will go through the test, and I would like to add that most of the tests which are meant for IgA nephropathy are also meant for nephrotic syndrome. These are almost the same tests which an allopathic doctor or nephrologist will guide to you for your 5-year-old kid to know the exact reason. One is urine test, one is blood test, which is KFT. Then there is kidney biopsy. Now what exactly is kidney biopsy? And then that is isothalamate clearance test. Now what exactly is kidney biopsy and why do the doctors, they ask you to go for a kidney biopsy whenever someone is suffering from nephrotic syndrome? Now The allopathic doctors, they will give corticosteroids like Omnicotil, Deflozacort, Tacrolimus, Pangraph. There are so many things that are given. Most of them are for suppressing the immune system so that the immune system, it stops attacking the kidneys. But then there are so many complications, so many side effects that are associated with the usage of those corticosteroids. So that's why if we want to give the best treatment to a patient suffering from nephrotic syndrome, Ayurveda, which takes nephrotic syndrome as pathic prameh, is the best choice. And that is what is the underlying concept with which we treat a patient suffering from nephrotic syndrome. And many a times when a doctor starts Omnicotil or some other corticosteroid in a patient suffering from nephrotic syndrome, the patient will start getting recovery initially. But whenever the patient is having any cough, any cold, any fever, immediately proteins will again start leaking in the urine. And in many patients, with the reduction in the dosage of corticosteroids, also the proteins again start coming in the urine. So Rakesh Kumar ji, that is where Ayurveda is the best. And yes, Ayurveda can do a lot for your child. All that we shall require from your end is a small pic of your child or a small 5-second video where we can see his body type with our experience. Then whatever is being given, the medications, any reports which you have gone for, try forwarding all those reports, all those details on the mobile number which is there on your screen, +91 7791 006 006. So you can forward all those details and my team shall be analyzing those reports, discussing with me and updating you, and we shall definitely try to bring the young one out of this disease. Thanks a lot, Shraddha ji. Nagraj ji, आपने लिखा है sir, please once check it is my sided delivered. I'll again check it for you, Nagraj ji. I'm just going to check it out. No, Nagraj ji. Unluckily, it's not there in my mobile app. Otherwise, if it's delivered, it definitely would have been there with me. There are so many other reports coming my way. There must be some confusion, but my team definitely shall be going through the complete reports which have been forwarded our way from your end. So do not worry. And at the same time, my team is there. Any report which comes our way through WhatsApp shall also be forwarded to me. There is one report which is forwarded to me through WhatsApp. This is a multi-stick. There are negative reports of various things, but I don't know whether it is the one which you are talking about, Mr. Nagaraj, because if that is the report, it's not a complete report. The protein definitely is 3+. It's a 3+ protein that is leaking out in the urine, which should not be there. But yes, you definitely can be forwarding me all the details directly through our mobile app. So moving further, Sujal ji have written, sir, can we ask any coordinator to contact us about the topic? Disha ji, please immediately after this live contact Sujal Lohariwal ji, because it's very important and very urgent to finalize on how we need to start with those things in this case. Welcome Shahbaz ji, welcome Nagaraj ji and Rakesh Kumar ji. Thanks to you too. Don't worry at all and forward us all the details. And now I am coming back to my parent topic. Rakesh ji, be there with us. It is very important for you because although it's IgA nephropathy, it is very much similar to nephrotic syndrome. So when we talk about the medications of IgA nephropathy, you can see what line of treatment is there in a patient of IgA nephropathy as far as allopathic aspect is concerned. They give the high blood pressure medications, diuretics, omega-3 fatty acids, immunosuppressants, statin therapy. So these are the major line of treatments that are followed in a patient suffering from IgA nephropathy. They try to maintain the blood pressure by giving antihypertensives. They try to reduce the swelling by giving diuretics. They try to reduce the weakness by giving omega-3 fatty acids. They try to suppress the immune system by giving immunosuppressants so that the immune system, it is now attacking less on the kidneys. But despite all these kind of things which are given, in majority of the cases the treatment is not of a permanent nature, and with every passing day the kidneys become more and more damaged. And although the corticosteroids are able to reduce the protein leakage temporarily, they can only reduce the speed of damage. कॉर्टिकोस्टेरॉइड्स लेने के बावजूद भी हर क्षण किडनीज फर्दर डैमेज होती चली जा रही होती हैं. हाँ, डेफिनेटली उससे उनकी डैमेजिंग की स्पीड जो है वो कम हो जाती है. तो आप इसीलिए अगर IgA nephropathy, which is called as pathic prameh, if you are suffering from the disease IgA nephropathy, Ayurveda with its Sroto Shodhak Aushadhis, micro channels purifying herbs, and micro channel purifying procedures is one of the paths of choice for the patients, so that the patients not just have a stopped progression of the disease, but at the same time the patient also starts getting improvement, and then one fine day the patient can stop the treatment. जय राठौर जी, आपने कहा सर मुझे जो मेडिसिन मिली है उसमें एक तुलसी ड्रॉप 2 इम्यूनो केयर है, ये मेडिसिन मुझे कब तक कंटिन्यू रखना है और डोजेज कब कम होंगे? अभी के लिए जय जी डिलीवरी टाइम तक तो मैं चाहूँगा कि यही मेडिसिन चलें, इसकी डोजेज को कम नहीं किया जाए, उसके बाद हम डोजेज को रिड्यूस भी कर सकते हैं. जैसा कि मैं अक्सर जाते जाते आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ, IgA nephropathy, there is a lot to be discussed in Ayurveda. So if anyone is suffering from IgA nephropathy, you can leave a message to us and we can have a webinar on IgA nephropathy, because there's a lot to be learned as far as Ayurvedic perspective of IgA nephropathy is concerned. But that shall not be of very much interest to those who are not suffering from it. But yes, it will be very much interesting for someone who is suffering from it. So there is a lot that can be done in regards of patients suffering from IgA nephropathy. So from my end, once again, I would request you, if there are any queries in your mind, you can download the mobile app Rishd Pusht and directly send a message to me. I won't say that I am able to reply back on all those queries, but yes, I definitely try discussing with my team and I guide the patients through my team in that regards then. So for all of you who joined us today, my genuine request, please do not forget to like our video and share our video. हमारे वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर आप ज़रूर कीजिएगा, इसी उम्मीद के साथ कि आप सभी लोग हृष्ट पुष्ट रहें. मैं डॉक्टर नवदीप शर्मा आपसे आज्ञा चाहूँगा. हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
When I was younger, I was very sensitive. I could feel the pain that people endured. My father once told me, it's good that I can feel people's pain. It would be even better if I could transform one's pain into soothing relief. These words of my father nourished and nurtured the divinely planted seed in me to become a compassionate healer. And my journey with Ayurveda, the science of life, began. According to Ayurveda, our Panchabhautik body is an amalgam of space, air, fire, water, and earth. And solution to all chronic ailments lies in balancing these body elements. As the origin of Ayurveda goes back to thousands of years, so some part of our ancient historical knowledge is lost. That's why I started my own research and shared it with the world. Ayurveda can give very quick recovery, even quicker than allopathy, in most chronic ailments.
The blend of Ayurvedic medicines, Panchkarma, yoga, diet has helped Dr. Navdeep Sharma create the brand Risht Pusht and Team Nirogam by treating thousands of patients suffering from chronic illness. Join Dr. Navdeep Sharma's guided path of healthy living. Call now at +1 888 624 5925.
एक योग्य आयुर्वेदिक चिकित्सक के अंतर्गत अगर आयुर्वेदिक इलाज करवाया जाए तो गंभीर से गंभीर रोग में वो एलोपैथिक ट्रीटमेंट से भी शीघ्रतापूर्वक काम कर सकता है।
किडनी, हेपेटाइटिस और अन्य गंभीर रोगों से जूझ रहे रोगी विश्व प्रसिद्ध आयुर्वेदिक चिकित्सक डॉक्टर नवदीप शर्मा को तुरंत संपर्क करें।
According to Ayurveda, our Panchabhautik body is an amalgam of space, air, fire, water, and earth. And solution to all chronic ailments lies in balancing these body elements. As the origin of Ayurveda goes back to thousands of years, so some part of our ancient historical knowledge is lost. That's why I started my own research and shared it with the world. Ayurveda can give very quick recovery, even quicker than allopathy in most chronic ailments.
The blend of Ayurvedic medicines, Panchkarma, yoga, diet has helped Dr. Navdeep Sharma create the brand Risht Pusht and Team Nirogam by treating thousands of patients suffering from chronic illness. Join Dr. Navdeep Sharma's guided path of healthy living. Call now at +1 888 624 5925.